Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I decided that in October I am going to do something interesting. At least it will be interesting for me and for the future me. I will be filming every day what I'm doing and what is going on in my life, and I'm gonna put together the video at the end of the week and share it with you. So this is kind of like my friend Alyssa called it Vlogtober. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna share it with you, and you can see what I have been up to. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah! Oh, I did it! I'm doing it! Me and my mom had nails day today. We went to get our nails done, and I did my eyebrows, and now we're gonna go and get breakfast. Oh my god, it's raining like crazy. Let's go! Subway time. So good. I got a sandwich with Italian herbs and cheese bread, the pepperoni, cheese, onions, pickles, everything. So when we went okay, so when we went to alright, when we went to apple picking over the weekend, I lost my glasses there. I lost my glasses. I remember for the photo I took them off and I put them like on my jeans, and then they just disappeared, and I didn't remember, like I didn't think at that time that I lost them. But then the next day I needed my glasses and I couldn't find them, and then I went through my photos and I saw that on the, like when we just started picking apples, at first my glasses were on my jeans, but by the end when we made a video they weren't there anymore. So then I understood that I dropped them somewhere, and I called them, they didn't answer, and then I messaged them on Instagram, and they answered me that yes, one customer found my glasses and I can go and pick them up, and I was super happy, and now we went and picked them up and I have my glasses again.
Glasses picking, apple picking.
I can see again. Thank you. You're welcome. I got Starbucks and I'm going to try the new apple crisp macchiato. I couldn't even finish my sentence, I had to try it right away. It's really good. It tastes like fall. Hi. We're going to the training. Are you ready for training? Mm-hmm. Look, Sasha and me are matching today. Pink sweaters. Hello guys, it's update time. It's Wednesday night already. I'm back home from training, and today I made a ball routine for Jara and it turned out really nice. I'm taking you guys to the kitchen with me and we are gonna make a charcuterie board.
Alexa, play cooking music.
physio and my mom got sushi for us for lunch. So we're gonna eat this quickly. It's a really good sushi. Yeah. We got Starbucks, and I'm gonna show you my go-to Starbucks order. I have like 3 or 4 drinks that I get very often that I really like, and today here is one of them. I got the grande iced green tea latte with caramel syrup, and it's really good. It's really refreshing, but it's also a bit sweet at the same time. And then I got ginger molasses cookie. Oh my god, I love this cookie, and I let them warm it up so it's even better, and it smells and tastes exactly like Christmas. Here, looks like that. It's really good. It's my doctor follow-up time in the car.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
I had a really beautiful birthday morning, really beautiful Friday morning, and my family woke me up, and then I came downstairs and they surprised me with this beautiful presents and balloons set up, and the cake, of course, that we're gonna eat right now actually. Can you bring me a knife, please? Thank you. Okay, go. So nice. I want to see the photo. What is 1,000?
You'll see when you open it.
Okay. Oh. So cute. What do I have to do now?
Open your phone camera.
Where's my phone? Opening. What is that? Oh.
Wait. I think you're really confused right now.
Look. CK. Thank you, Lisa.
This is very scary lighting.
Oh my god. So much.
Aww. So cute.
Here is my birthday dinner. Thank you, Daddy. It's one of my most favorite foods. That thing here. What is it called?
Kapusta.
In English.
Sauerkraut.
Yes, though.
Another photo. Oh,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The first risky thing I did as a 24-year-old. Tried to fit this cake here. It almost touched the... What is that called? I don't know. That thing. But it didn't. Hello. I had the very best birthday night yesterday and after birthday morning today. It was really nice. I'm gonna talk about it more later, but right now I'm getting ready and we're gonna go to Thanksgiving dinner. Yay! One of my favorite holidays. My first favorite holiday is Christmas and second is Thanksgiving. So let's go. What's next?
I don't know what's next.
Go. We had training today and I gave everybody candies for my birthday. And I started choreographing Abigail's hoop routine and I continued with 2 group routines. It's Sunday night and the week is now over, the very busy week. It's... what time is it? Alexa, what time is it?
It's 10:57 p.m.
10:57. Yes, it was a really busy week. It was really nice, very emotional. Lots of things was going on, a lot of nice surprises and moments. And I really loved this week and I hope you guys loved the video and loved to see what I was doing during the week. And now I'm gonna go take a shower, go to sleep. First I'm gonna edit this video, go to sleep, and I will see you next week. Bye!